When it comes to building a custom e-commerce solution, Doba and WooCommerce are two platforms that often come up in discussions. But which one is more flexible for your specific needs? Let's break down the key differences between them and why this matters for creating the perfect online store. First off, flexibility is crucial when it comes to e-commerce. You need the ability to customize everything from your store's layout to the checkout process, and both Doba and WooCommerce offer different levels of this flexibility. Doba, being a dropshipping platform, makes it easy to get products into your store quickly, but it doesn't offer the same level of deep customization you'd expect from a platform like WooCommerce. WooCommerce, on the other hand, gives you complete control over your store's functionality. But here's the catch, it also requires a bit more technical knowledge to fully customize it. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Doba is very beginner-friendly. If you're someone looking to quickly start an e-commerce business without diving too deep into coding, it can be appealing. Its user interface is simple, and with built-in tools for product sourcing, you don't have to worry about managing inventory or finding suppliers. WooCommerce is also beginner-friendly in the sense that it's integrated into WordPress, but setting it up and making customizations can be more complicated. You'll need to install plugins, adjust settings, and often tinker with code to get the store functioning the way you want. The third thing to consider is integrations. Both platforms integrate with other tools, but WooCommerce definitely shines here. WooCommerce can connect to thousands of plugins, payment gateways, and third-party tools, giving you almost limitless options to expand your store's functionality. Doba, while having some integrations, doesn't come close to offering the same level of customization. If you need to add specific features or apps, WooCommerce is the clear winner. Moving on to scalability. As your business grows, your e-commerce platform needs to grow with you. WooCommerce allows for a great deal of scalability, especially since it's built on WordPress. You can easily expand your site with more products, traffic, and advanced functionalities. Doba, however, is more limited when it comes to scaling. While it does handle the logistics for dropshipping, the platform itself doesn't offer the same flexibility as WooCommerce when it comes to expanding your store in terms of features or customization. The fifth thing is pricing. Doba charges a monthly fee, and while that might seem simple, it can add up over time, especially if you're just starting out and don't yet have a steady stream of revenue. WooCommerce is technically free, but you'll likely need to pay for hosting, a domain, and plugins, which can lead to hidden costs. So, if you're looking to keep costs down but still get a lot of customization options, WooCommerce might be a better long-term choice. Lastly, let's talk about support. Doba has a dedicated support team that helps you with sourcing, dropshipping, and basic e-commerce issues. While helpful, this level of support doesn't compare to the robust community and resources available for WooCommerce users. With WooCommerce, there's a vast network of forums, tutorials, and WordPress developers who can help you tackle more complex issues. So, to wrap up, Doba versus WooCommerce comes down to your specific needs. If you want an easy, dropshipping-focused solution, Doba might be the way to go, especially if you don't need deep customization. But if you're looking for more flexibility, scalability, and customization options, WooCommerce is definitely the better choice, though it does come with a steeper learning curve. The platforms mentioned in this video are good, but after trying all of them myself, I can confidently say that there's a better alternative for building a custom e-commerce solution. If you're serious about getting the best, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out!